Hi, this is a brief demo of Vipilink, your trusted partner in the Zero Trust Network access journey. In this video, you'll see how to create a secure cloud network, connect it to your existing cloud and on-premises infrastructure, and let users work safely from anywhere. We'll start from the very beginning and walk through the basic settings. You'll see how to deploy a cloud network and provide granular access for users, step by step. To start, go to vipilink.com and click Sign Up. Enter your company details and verify your email. Next, pick your workspace URL. Vipilink suggests a name, and create a password that meets the security requirements. After verification and password setup, we land on the dashboard. From here, we'll activate a subscription by selecting the plan that best fits our needs. For this demo, we'll choose Premium Plus with monthly billing. We can set the number of users and gateways now and change them later. Once payment details are entered and processed, our subscription is active, and we're ready to configure the platform. Let's create our first network with two regions, Amsterdam and Frankfurt, one gateway in each. A gateway is a smart router and firewall that terminates users' VPN sessions and connects them to your existing infrastructure. Deployment can take up to 15 minutes, so we'll speed this part up for the demo. After deployment completes, we assign access. We'll make this network available to the default all users group. Now, we'll invite company users and split them into groups for permission management later. We can invite users by entering their email addresses separated by supported delimiters such as commas or semicolons, or by uploading a CSV file that contains the full list of email addresses. Once invitations are sent, users will receive an onboarding email and appear in the list after registration. After that, we can organize them into logical groups. Creating a group is straightforward. Just provide a name and select the members from the drop-down menu. We can segment user access by assigning specific groups or individual users to different networks. In this demo, we'll assign the engineering group to the LabNet 1 network and the contractors group to the US contractors network. Now let's connect our secure cloud networks to the existing infrastructure. To do this, we can choose between two tunnel types, IPsec or Vipilink connector, the latter being based on WireGuard technology. In this demo, we'll create a redundant IPsec tunnel to our AWS environment. We'll start by giving the tunnel a name and then entering the details from the VPN configuration file that AWS provides after its site is set up. Once the tunnels are added, we can define new routes for the networks that need to be reachable through them. With users and networks ready, let's restrict permissions using Firewall as a service. Vipilink offers granular next-generation controls. We'll create a rule that denies ping and SSH to the Jumpbox server for tech support group members, while permitting access for everyone else. Unmatched traffic remains allowed by default. Now, let's test the rule in action. First, user John, who is not a member of the tech support group, tries to ping the jump box at 172.30.30.5. His request goes through successfully. In contrast, user George, who is a member of the tech support group, tries the same test but receives no reply. Next is device posture check, which verifies device security before granting access. We'll create a posture profile for Windows that checks two things. OS version is Windows 10 or higher, and a file named Vipilink.txt exists in a specified path. First, we try to sign in from a machine that fails these checks. The app blocks login and shows a posture check failure. In the admin console, the device status appears unhealthy. We then fix the issue by creating the missing file and sign in again. Now the login succeeds, and in the console, the device status updates to healthy. Vipilink also supports agentless application access, ideal when users don't have the agent installed. Under Applications, we add a new app, choose SSH, give it a name, and enter the connection details. We make this application available to the contractors group only. On the user side, everything happens in the browser. No local terminal required to reach the server. Beyond features, the dashboard provides a user-friendly overview: license usage, active sessions, OS distribution, and device types. Monitor and Logs helps with audits by listing admin events and user events. Under Settings, Identity Providers, you can configure SSO so users sign in through your existing identity provider for a secure, streamlined experience. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.